Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most TV mounts follow compatibility standards set by the Video Electronics Standards Association, or VESA. This standard ensures that all VESA-compatible TVs and mounts are totally interchangeable. It's a good bet that any TV mount sold today is VESA-compatible, but you should always confirm, just to be sure.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Most TVs, flat panel models, for instance, follow VESA standards. That means you'll need a VESA-compatible mount. However, some TV manufacturers choose not to follow VESA standards, so their holes may be placed differently.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To determine the VESA size, you'll need to measure the distance, in millimeters, between the 4 holes on your TV, first horizontally and then vertically. Common VESA and TV sizes include 200 by 200 for up to 32-inch TVs, 400 by 400 for up to 60-inch TVs, and 600 by 400 for large screens 70 to 84-inch TVs.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Take the maximum weight rating of the mount, divide by 2. If it's still more than your TV's weight, you are fine. If it isn't, you are fine, but you might eventually crack the back of the TV if you tilt or move it a lot. Swivel mount. If it's a flush mount though, you'll be more than fine with 2 screws.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.